Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a very common program which is asked inside competitive programming or interview. Whenever you go for any Python interview, this question will be asked for you. So this is actually how to add two numbers without using the plus operator, without using the standard addition operator that you use a plus b. You don't need to use that operator, still you need to add two numbers. So I will show you this program that I will explain you step by step. So first of all, inside Python we take two numbers. Number one, I give it a 7. Number two, I give it a value of 5. And now I just need to define a function which will be add without plus. And here we pass these two numbers to this function, number one, number two. So now we just need to define this function. So this function essentially will not use this plus operator. So now inside this function, in the standard way, what we do, we use this plus operator which simply add these two numbers. So the result comes out to be 12. So if I try to print this is a standard way by which you add two numbers. As you will see, the result comes out to be 12. But in interview, in competitive programming, there will be this question will be asked that you don't need to use the standard plus operator. Instead, you need to uh, still add these two numbers without using it. So now the approach is very simple here. You first of all need to use some bitwise operations, such as, let me show you. So here we simply put while, and we basically check here while the b value is not equal to 0. So here we put this condition inside while loop. We are checking this if the number 2 which is passed here, which is 5, it's not equal to 0, then in that case we need to carry out these three process. First of all, we need to execute this a and b. This is a special operator which is called as or operator, which is called as S XOR, XOR operator. So first of all, it actually convert both these numbers into binary, which is how the CPU identify these numbers into binary 0 1 1 form. Both these numbers are converted into binary, and then it carries calculate the carry and I stored it inside this variable. If I want to just print out this carry, you can print it out. And then we also do this a, this is a special operator which is the AND operator. We do this part as well. And then b is equal to carry, and this is a special operator 1. And then after that we return this value of a. So if you try to run this program, you will see the result still comes out to be 12. As you can see, let me just eliminate this print statement and just say, you can see the result comes out to be 12 here. If I change this, let's suppose I say 1 and 1, so 1 plus 1 comes out to be 2. You can see, so this program basically we haven't using the plus operator, still we are adding the two numbers. So here these three operations we are doing it bitwise operators. We are using the XOR operator and the AND operator. This is the AND operator that you are seeing. This is the XOR operator. So both these numbers are converted into binary. Whatever, we are not adding 1 plus 1, we are converting this 1 into binary 101 form, and then we are calculating the carry here first of all, then we are putting the AND operator, and then again carry, and then we are returning it. So this is essentially the program. You can pause and write this full program. Also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.